Hello everyone, we are here today at Disney's Pixar Place Hotel to do a full room tour of a premium room. This room does sleep up to 5 adults and has a good amount of space for everyone.
This room was recently remodeled with the rest of the hotel as they rebranded from Paradise Pier to Pixar Place. Lots of theming throughout, and we can't wait to show you this room.
Let's go check it out.
Before we head into the room, I just wanted to point out the carpeting out here, how they have all these abstract Pixar characters like Buzz and Woody right there, Sadness and Joy, Mike and Sully, Marlin or Nemo, I guess, and Dory over there. You got the guitar from Coco. On the other side of the hallway here, we've got some more characters. Looks like Jack and Edna Mode, Lightning and Mater, Remy, he's upside down this way. You've got Eve and Wally and the house from Up, and looks like Doug over there. With the new remodel, there are Pixar characters absolutely everywhere as you're walking around the resort. Now let's head in and check out the room. When we first come into the room here, you can see the new remodeled look. We've got the hard floors throughout the room, and then over on our left, we have our closet. Inside the closet, you've got, of course, your closet rod with the hangers. There's an iron up on the shelf. There's also an ironing board in here. Decent amount of space for storage inside the closet here. You got a little shelf down there for your luggage, and then below that, extra pillow and blanket for the room. And then one more little piece of theming here before we continue on into the room. They even updated the room occupied sign with monsters. So fun. The bathroom over here, as you first enter the room, does have a barn door that you can close it off from the rest of the room with. And this does have a lock right there. So once it's closed, you just flip that lock and it does lock that off for you. For the sink in here, we have a single vanity, but there is a lot of counter space all the way across the bathroom here. There's also storage down below the vanity. You've got your hair dryer and then all your towels down there. And then our mirror here is a lighted mirror, so you've got plenty of good lighting here in the bathroom. There's also a makeup mirror over on the wall on this side. We've got one piece of artwork in here in the bathroom. You've got Luxo Jr. on the Pixar ball there, and we'll see more of them in just a minute here. Your toilet's right here in the middle of the bathroom, and then your walk-in shower over here. Some of the rooms do have tubs, but the one that we have in particular just has the walk-in shower. We have a single shower head in here. It is a detachable shower head, a couple different settings on it. And then our shampoo, conditioner, and body wash is over here on this wall, and it's refillable, and they have branded that with the new Pixar Place Hotel logo on those. Also in the room on the left next to the closet, we have our coffee area. We've got a Keurig coffee maker. We also have an ice bucket and some little Pixar ball coasters there. In the drawer right below this is where you're going to find your coffee pods and your sugars and creams, things like that, and some to-go cups. If you're looking for real coffee mugs, they also have those available down inside the drawer here. In this cabinet, we've got our mini fridge, and it is a decent size mini fridge here, but you do not have a freezer section in there, so just something to note there. And as we head into the rest of the room, on the left, you'll see that door that is a connecting door for the room next to us. We've got a desk here with our TV above it. They've got lots of backlighting in the furniture that is the main lighting for the rooms here, apart from a few lamps. And then on the desk, we have a book to look through, The Art of Pixar. We flipped through that for a few minutes. Actually, a lot of really cool stuff in there. You have a lamp on the desk, which I wish they sold in the gift shop, because this is the Luxo Jr. lamp. It's pretty awesome. You've got an outlet right behind there with regular wall outlets as well as USB and USB-C. And then the drawers below there for storage. The bottom one is a drawer that's got a pretty good amount of space in it. It's a decent size. And then above that, it's actually not a drawer, but it's hiding your in-room safe inside there. So you do have that there as well. For the bedding here in this room, we have two queen-size beds. They are raised up off the ground, so you've got lots of storage space underneath for your luggage. And you can even see on the carpet down there, again, Luxo Jr. with the design on the carpet. On the bed, I absolutely love these throw pillows. They look from the end like the Pixar ball. And then if you look at the comforter as well, you can see just a little hint of the Pixar ball in the design on the comforter too. On the headboard of the bed, we have these little reading lamps that are very nice. You press on the little button here, and you have this rotating lamp that you can turn wherever you would like and use it here on the bed. Next to the bed on the end, we have this small little shelf so you can charge your phones and such. and plug those in right there. You have a USB and a USB-C, as well as a regular wall outlet there. The artwork back behind the bed is just beautiful. We've got several different Pixar movies represented, and I like the uplighting on that too. It's a really nice touch. In between the two beds, we have a small nightstand. There are 2 drawers on here, so you've got some storage there as well. Very, very deep drawers. You've got your in-room phone, and of course they have a notepad and pen there. And you also have an alarm clock here that has a USB and a USB-C, in addition to wireless charging. And you have more outlets right above that that have the USB and USB-C and the regular wall outlets as well. Over on the far side of the bed, from this side, you also have the same setup with the little shelf and the outlets. Our view from this room is a beautiful theme park view. You can see California Adventure right there. Really awesome view of the park from this room here. And then the last thing to show you is right across from me here. It's the couch. This couch turns into a twin-size bed. I'll show you that in just a second. And we've got a little piece of artwork above it of various Pixar characters running across the frame here. Well, I guess Sadness is probably shuffling, but now this bed is a little bit unique, very different than the ones they have at the Walt Disney World resorts. This is not a day bed that folds down, but instead it folds over. It kind of flips upside down. You don't need to take the cushions off. You can just grab the straps right down here. There's a couple on the sides and one in the middle. You pick up on it and it just kind of flips right over. I'm going to step back so you can see. It continues flipping when you just push it all the way down. And then you unzip the top here just to open up the mattress. And that keeps it from falling when you flip it over. And there you go. You got your twin-size bed right there. So a little bit of a unique way to have the twin bed set up, but you do have that there for the 5th sleeper in this room. And that's going to conclude our tour of this newly refurbished premium view room here at Pixar Place Hotel.
We hope you enjoyed that room tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And check out the channel for other room tours. We've got Disneyland, Walt Disney World, and other Disney destinations around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time,
we're here with the ears.